Hello friends, welcome to my new video on Matlab for power engineers. So today I'm going to show you something very important for all of us, and it is about the loading the data from Excel and plotting it. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I have an Excel file here. Okay, this is an Excel file and I have two data in two. It's about the hysteresis curve and magnetic field intensity and magnetic field density. Okay, so we're gonna plot hysteresis curve, and for this we have to load the data to Matlab. For this you're gonna import the data, and the data is here. Where's that data? Yes, this is my data, and I got imported. And it's got imported here, and it's from a table variable. Okay, and table variable is different from the structure variable and other array variable. So I'm gonna drag it here, and it got a file stm. I name it as stainless.mat. It's a table variable, table file, mat file, and I'm gonna access it. Okay, so I'm opening a new script file, and let's name it as hysteresis file. Okay, so I'm gonna run it now. First of all, I have to clear all variables and load the stainless.mat. Okay, and after loading it I have to access the variables. So for that you have to check out the variables. So let's run what are the variables there, and you find all the data come here. I'm going to expand it. Yes, all the variables, and there are two variables. One is HM, another is bTelsla. Okay, so I'm gonna take that variable. Okay, let's set a variable HA and stainless dot HAM. Okay, that is, this variable is okay. That's fine. Similarly BT equals stainless dot B Tesla. That's fine. And all the variables are stored. All the data are stored in two variables. The HAM data is stored as a matrix, and B Tesla variable is stored as BT as a matrix. Now we just plot it. Plot BT as A. If we run it, we got a loop. Okay, I just have to reverse it. You would get a saturation curve. At A should be x-axis, BT should be y-axis. That's fine. This is your plot. Okay. Thanks for watching my video, and next video will be come sooner. Thank you for the